In this video, I'm going to show you how to share AnyDesk on a laptop step by step, so you can quickly give someone access to your device and start a remote session without confusion. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open AnyDesk on your laptop. Give it a moment to load fully, because the main screen needs to appear before you can share anything. Once AnyDesk opens, you'll see the home screen with your connection details. Now look for the section that says this desk or your address. This is where AnyDesk shows your unique ID or alias. Think of this as your personal remote access code. The other person will need this address in order to connect to your laptop. Next, click on your AnyDesk address. In most cases, clicking it will automatically copy it to your clipboard. That means you can now paste it into a message, email, chat, or text and send it to the person who needs access. If you want, you can also manually highlight it and copy it, but usually a single click is all it takes. Now, share that address with the other person. You can send it through WhatsApp, email, Microsoft Teams, Zoom chat, or any other messaging app you prefer. Just make sure you send the full address exactly as shown, because even a small mistake can stop the connection from working. After that, the other person will enter your AnyDesk address into their AnyDesk app and click Connect. Once they do that, your laptop will receive an incoming connection request. This is the point where you stay in control, because nothing happens until you approve it. When the request appears, review the permissions carefully. AnyDesk may ask whether the other person can view your screen, control your mouse and keyboard, or access certain functions. Take a moment to check what is being requested, then click Accept if you're comfortable starting the remote session. Once you accept, the remote session will begin, and the other person can interact with your laptop based on the permissions you allowed. This is useful for troubleshooting, support, collaboration, or helping someone set something up on your device. And when you're finished, ending the session is just as easy. Simply click Disconnect inside the AnyDesk window, or close the session window entirely. That will immediately stop the remote connection and end access to your laptop. So that's how to share AnyDesk on a laptop, accept a connection, and end the session when you're done. It's quick, simple, and very useful whenever you need remote help or want to assist someone else. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear and practical tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.